Garden. So by the way po, Tinubdan came from the Visayan root word tubod, which means wellspring or origin, pinanggalingan or sinugdanan. Then Tinubdan po first opened in 2008 after 2 years of planning and coordination with the local architects, artists, anthropologists, and the Lumans. So ma'am, sir, as you notice the statue of Bagani there. So Bagani is a protector of a tribe or a warrior. So before bago ka matawag na Bagani, kailangan pa di mo patay of more than 10 people. Kaya kung Bagani ka, dapat isog ka kayo nagalit sa mga labanan. Pero karon maski isa you're not allowed kay kriminal na kadritso. Ma-priso na ka.
Ma-priso ka.
On that side naman may sa flying lodge, one or family cottage, so fully furnished, so pwede mo talag maglutong pagkaon. So maximum capacity for 10 persons. So pwede rin kayo mong mag-shagit-shagit maski kung sa kurasa, since wala man may silingan.
Wala pala gina ng anak yung kabaw sa una, raman na siya gira isa na
Laki,
isa.
magod na. Sino saan ba?
Ay, laki na
So to your lower left is more of our organically grown local vegetables. And to your far left is supposed to be the view of the Davao City, the Davao Gulf, and Samal Island. But dili na to siya makita niyo kay cloudy condition. So this side naman pa sa herbs and spices, every tea means cilantro chives, rosemary, lemon, bisa, tarragon, oregano, and thyme. So kanina mga herbs and spices ginagamit din na mo sa mga food diri ka. So kung hindi pang kaon na natin mga herbs and spices gikan diri ka.